So a backwater valve is this device here. And what you'll see on the basement is actually this lid that sits flush with the basement floor. Down inside, you're going to find this backwater valve. What this does is it allows flows from your house to go through unimpeded out to the street. But if there's ever a backup from the street, what happens is there's a flap in here that closes and prevents sewage in an overloaded sewer from backing up into the basement. Once the sanitary flows have reduced back down to normal, the flap opens up again and everything's allowed to run back out to the street unimpeded. These are installed in the basement, and the reason for that is because you've got easy access for inspection and maintenance, and you do want to inspect and maintain these valves on a regular basis to make sure that they're performing properly and the flapper isn't covered with any debris or anything that's going to prevent it from not working optimally. So if you go to our website, you'll see an entire page speaking to our basement flood mitigation subsidy program, including the subsidies for backwater valves, weeping tile disconnection, sump pump installations, downspout disconnection, and also improvements to the sanitary sewer lateral on private side.